Hello everyone and welcome back to FingerTips. So many of us have already played games like Among Us, GTA Vice City, Temple Run and Subway Surfers on our mobile phones, PCs and laptops. And from the childhood, we always had that curiosity about how these games are developing. Like, do we require coding? How does our favorite character in the game is getting his or her voice? The different kinds of guns we use in the game and who is designing them. If the game world is the thing that interests you and you wish to explore it in depth, then game development can definitely be the right choice for you. In this video, we'll explore about how you can become a game developer, what a game developer does, what skills they need, and how you can start your game development journey. So with this, let's get started. As we already know, because of mobile phones, tablets, PCs, TVs, and gaming consoles, and with almost 3 billion gamers worldwide, the gaming industry is booming and attracting new game developers every day because of its rapidly expanding market. Most of the game developers get into the industry out of a love of gaming, and around close to half of the internet users in India have played both online games and offline games in 2021. And with this, India is becoming a nation of gamers, as around 433 million of users play games in India. This means that around 35% of the population became online gamers in 2021, and in 2023, the number of internet users in India is all set to surpass 1 billion. So if you are considering a career in game development, there is a piece of good news for you. As the industry grows, report shows that opening for game developers have increased over 5% and it is expected to rise by over 2% annually, representing around 30,000 new jobs within a decade. With this, let's move on and see what is a game developer and how you can become one. A game developer does more than just the coding or programming, which is required to create a game. What they do is they first create the initial concepts and then design new games, and then they develop, test, and maintain the games they release. You can easily do all of this as a freelance developer or as a part of a design and production team. In addition to this, if you are moving down the path to become a gaming developer, then there are some requirements like you need a degree for a career as a game developer. But that's not always the case. Many game developers don't have a degree at all. But you know what's more important? It's creativity, imagination, and knowledge of the fundamentals of game development. Remember that having an experience, a robust portfolio, and a good resume may go further than a degree. Also, based on your creativity and imagination, there are some skills you need to acquire to become a successful game developer. The first is coding proficiency. You need to have the ability to code often in C, C++, and also in Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and HTML that are also commonly used. Moving on to the next skill, that is problem solving with some concepts of maths and physics. Look, having a strong background in maths and physics will help you translate your creative ideas into gaming experience. Most famous companies like Ubisoft, Rockstar Games, Sega, and Microsoft Corporation conduct interviews to establish more than just coding experience. They want to see your problem solving skills too. Now, moving to the third skill, that is good communication and documentation. Whether you are pitching your own game as a freelance or working as a part of a team, good communication and documentation may make or break any potential deal or strategy. With this, we come to our fourth and one of the major skill set, the knowledge of one or more gaming engines. Gaming engines are the frameworks used for building games. They can also be known as game framework or game architecture. One of the popular gaming engine is Unity, which is a cross-platform engine that allows you to develop 2D and 3D mobile games. Also, Unity gaming engine is free for students and for personal use, so you can start creating games on it to gain some experience before you get hired. We also have one more popular gaming engine, that is Unreal Engine. It has grown a lot into a 3D creation platform. Also, Unreal Engine uses C++ as its programming language. Now at last, let's see how you can move to the part to kickstart your gaming journey. So if you have a passion for games and want to get established in the gaming industry, start with some basic and simple games. Look, you need to start developing your skills right away by building games. Start with some basic and normal games and then work your way towards more complex projects. Also, you need to build a solid portfolio. As you develop your own games, keep on adding them to your portfolio. This shows potential employers what you are capable of doing and can help you stand out from other candidates. Also, you can start out as a QA tester. QA testers are the quality assurance testers. They test games for any flaws or bugs. This entry-level role can be a good way for you to gain experience in the industry of gaming. The next and the best way is effective networking by attending gaming industry events. Look, you need to go and attend gaming industry events where you can meet other developers and game development studios. For this, GDC, that is Game Development Conference, can be a good option as it welcomes career seekers. So if you are interested in this field of gaming, there are other roles as well to consider, but note that some may fall into the core category of game development. Like you can be a game artist, an animator, writer, audio engineer, project manager, video game designer, and also a game tester. With this, we have reached the end of this video. Hope this video was informational for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more such content on the latest trending technology, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, happy learning.